As part of Health and Healing Week observed between February 10th and 16th, CHAI organized the second inclusive sports meet on 8th Feb 2014 for children with disabilities as well as able-bodied children to generate awareness on the abilities of disabled children and to promote their inclusion. It was conducted in St. Claret's High School, Mechal, Secunderabad between 9:30 and 3:30 p.m. The event started on a pleasant morning with the assembly of around 500 children from 11 schools participated in the event. The chief guest of the occasion was Mr. Michael Mullins, Consul General, Consulate of United States of America, Hyderabad. Father Matthew, Principal of St. Claret's School, was a guest of honor. The event started at 9:30 a.m. with a torch relay run by the captains of all the schools. Following it, a march past by all the students was held. The chief guest took the salute. Reverend Dr. Tommy Thomas, IMS Director General, CHAI, extended a very warm welcome to Mr. Michael Mullins, the chief guest. Reverend Dr. Tommy remembered gratefully the beautiful association CHAI has with the United States of America and the Catholic Health Association there. He then thanked the students for coming to participate at the event. The chief guest, Mr. Michael C. Mullins, Consulate General of the USA, Hyderabad, inaugurated the meet by hoisting CHAI flag. He started the address with a message from the Olympics Charter. The practice of sport is a human right. Every individual must have the possibility of practicing sport without discrimination of any kind and in the Olympic spirit, which requires mutual understanding with the spirit of friendship, solidarity, and fair play. Meeting you reinforces my belief that you represent India at its best. The relentless spirit, the teamwork, the ability to overcome adversity and achieve your dreams, he told the participants. He exhorted them to remember Gandhiji's words, be the change you want to see in the world. Father Matthew, Principal of St. Claret High School, in his address, welcomed the chief guest, Dr. Reverend Tommy Thomas, participants and all the others who had gathered. I am honored to be in an event of this type. Differently abled people are capable of doing what the able-bodied people can do. He asked the children to take inspiration from eminent personalities like Helen Keller, Ms. Sudha Chandran, famous film personality and dancer, and reach great heights. He wished them all success in various sports events. Mr. Michael Mullins then declared the sports meet open by releasing balloons. Then the various events started. The visually impaired children were the first to run on 50 meters track, followed by the 100 meters run. The shot put game also started simultaneously. For the low ability children, softball arrangements were made. The fun games were the other main attractions of the event. Balloon bursting, musical chairs, putting ball in the basket and spoon racing were the other four major fun games. The two big human dolls with famous cartoon characters entertained the children during the entire event. The event went on for 3 hours. Prizes were given away by Father Tommy Thomas, Father Ashish, Father Arputam Arulswamy, and sisters from various congregations. Almost 300 gold, silver, and bronze medals were given to successful winners as per disability categories as well as age categories. The participants then broke for lunch. After lunch, certificates were given by Reverend Dr. Tommy Thomas, Director General. The inclusive sports meet closed at 3:30 p.m. with the national anthem. The event was a great success as children could showcase their talents in various sporting events and enjoyed themselves. The parents and teachers felt proud to see their children participating and enjoying the event.